Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to boot from a USB drive on Lenovo Yoga Book 9. First, you'll need to shut down the laptop, so let's click on the Start button, then on this power icon and click on Shut Down. Now we'll just need to wait, after the screen goes off, wait for additional several seconds to make sure that it's fully off, and after that time plug in your USB drive to either of the USB ports. And now we need to turn on the laptop, and after we press on the power button, you should immediately start repeatedly switching the camera switch on or off, because this laptop doesn't have a keyboard, so you can't use a hotkey to enter BIOS or boot menu. Instead of that, you should start switching this camera switch. So let's press on the power button first, then start switching this camera switch on and off until we get to the Novo button menu. I think we're there. So now you can just select boot menu, and here you can select boot devices, but I think I've inserted a wrong drive, so if you insert a drive that's bootable, it will be displayed right here. I'm gonna select the Windows Boot Manager and it'll open my installed Windows system. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.